Today I'm going to be going over how to swap out your windshield wiper blades when they are all worn out and crusty to new ones. I'm going to go over the front wiper blades, and then I'm going to go over the rear wiper blade. Now this is going to be the same for year models 2021 up to 2026. This is a third generation Rogue, but it's probably similar on older generations. This is just the one I have. If it works for you, let me know in the comments. Well, why is there a burrito on my windshield? Well, this is a shop towel or blanket, like a moving blanket. And one of the things is when we're swapping this out, if this falls down, we're not gonna crack or chip our windshield. So that's just a little safety mechanism there. Your first time doing it, definitely consider throwing just a towel, something. This is metal, and when this falls, it flops down. The next thing you are going to need is a flathead screwdriver. So one thing I want to mention is that there are multiple different mounting mechanisms for wiper blades. I always try to put links in my description to ones that match this as best as possible, but note that this mechanism could be different. Also, I use Amazon links, and I make a little bit of bonus when you buy a wiper blade. That helps me create more videos and keep doing this. So first of all, with this style, we're gonna take our flathead screwdriver, we're gonna put it straight in here and lift up. So you don't wanna pry too hard because it's just a little nook that sits in, but this lifts up. Then we're gonna put our screwdriver in our pocket and we're gonna pull this down. So with this hand, I'm just pulling this down, and you kind of have to tug with it. Be a little rough, not too rough, but a little rough. And this has to come down like so. So this blade kind of gets bumped forward. This is flexible, that's totally fine. And then this guy comes out like so. So that's what it looks like. This is our hook right here. Let me get another angle for you. So there is the hook, there's this little tab. Now, the other style of blade, there's a little tab on the back of it. You have to push that tab in and then pull down to release it if you get a different style of blade. Different mounting mechanism, but they're all this J-hook style wiper arm. Now, when you go to put on the new ones, you're gonna do the same deal. This guy goes through here and hooks in, and then give it a good firm push once it's settled in. There we go. It's got to kind of settle in and then firm push up, and then boom. That's it. And it's the same process for your either side. If it's easier to do it on the windshield on the other side, great. If you need a step stool to get up here, yeah, grab a step stool. Also note that your washer fluid comes out from here, and there's a tube down here that feeds that. So just be careful, don't yank by accident on that stuff. Make sure you're not touching that hose because you can yank that out. Just to give you a quick second angle, I'm not sure how good that first one was. This guy pops out like that. This guy, you yank down with this, then flip it up and pop it out. Actually, I think I did that a little better second time around. Then when you're putting it back on, this goes through here and then hooks up and on. And this is the part that sometimes is funky, is getting that mechanism. This guy, what I'm having a hard time with is just getting this settled in the right spot, because this can kind of flex up and down. So if it's a little bit off, it can be a little more difficult. But that's why I'm here. I'd rather just, there we go. So I had to give it a good bit of force, but now we're gonna move to the back wiper blade. All right, this one is actually super easy. It flips up and pops out. Boom, that's it. When you go to put a new one in, it pops in. There's like a little bit of like an angle you have to get it at, but I'm gonna show you this again. I'm gonna grab this and just pry with your backhand out. And then when you go to put it in, let me show you the mechanism here. Boom, there it is. It's just a clip that this seats into. So, boom. So then this just clips in. So, and I think that's the best, using your thumb here, 2 fingers here, good firm push that pops in. I'll put a link to just the rear as well, so you can pick one or the other. Also, another thing I wanted to mention on these front wiper blades is that sometimes you'll get a set of blades and it'll have multiple attachments that you have to swap out on the blades. So I might have mentioned that, but I want to make sure that I mentioned that sometimes you'll get a set and you have to find the right attachment for the J-hook style wiper blade arm. All right, if this was helpful, give a thumbs up and we'll catch you next time.